Welcome to our room. As you come in, you see a closet here. You got Queen Elizabeth. They got a little bit of neon right there. This door can slide to close it, and it reveals the bathroom. Double vanity, nice bright light. Shower with the frosted mirror on that side. Come over here. We also have the toilet closet, its own door. Got a John right there. Nice little rack here. This is a unit for the mini fridges, one to actually use and one for stuff for purchase, which, cost a bunch. And then here we go. We have the room with the double queen beds. Got the writing on the wall over there, metallic, blue backing, that's pretty dope. Some blue accents over here. Long faux granite cabinets with a big TV. Another painting with color. And do you want to see the views? What we got? We got buildings and we got lights all the way out there. Allegiant Stadium. Can look down, see all that, and we can see the pool.